This is the Leonardo Galileo, a professional diagnostic tool designed for Ferrari, Lamborghini, Aston Martin, and Maserati. All right, let's open it up. First thing, main VCI unit, then the tablet. Already preloaded, no setup needed. You've got all the cables here, OBD, brand-specific connectors. Everything you need is inside. Plug into the OBD port, power on the tablet, and now we connect to the VCI. Connection is instant, no delay. Now you're inside the system. First, vehicle selection. You pick the brand, model, and year. Then, auto scan. This scans the entire car in one go. You can go into each ECU, engine, gearbox, ABS, check live data in real time, read fault codes, and clear them instantly. This is dealership level access, not just basic scanning. Let's run a quick scan. Select vehicle, start auto scan. You can see all systems being checked. If there's a fault, it shows up here. Click in. You get detailed info. You also get advanced functions, coding, adaptations, resets. That's where this tool really stands out. If you're serious about working on supercars, this saves you hours, every single job. For more professional tools like this, check out KKS Supercar.